Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to bypass FRP on Samsung Galaxy J5 2017 SM-J530F. Okay, so first we need to launch the recovery mode on our device. To do it, as you can see, my device is protected with the password. I also cannot remember it. So we need to hold volume down and power button at the same time. Until the screen turns off. When it does, quickly switch the combination into power button, volume up button and home button. And now we need to wait until the recovery mode launches. Sometimes it takes a few tries, so don't worry. Okay, it didn't work, so let's try once again. So, volume down and power. Now home. Oh, again, it didn't work. We need to do it a little bit longer. Okay, now switch, volume up, power and home, and when the Samsung logo appears, release the finger from power button, but keep holding home and volume up. This time it should work. Just like I'm saying, sometimes we need to repeat the process. Okay, now it worked. So just like I'm saying, first power off your device by holding volume down and power. When the screen turns off, hold home button, power and volume up. When you see the Samsung logo, release the finger from the power button, but keep holding volume up and home. Okay, now we are in the recovery mode. To move around this menu, use the volume keys, and in here we need to select wipe data / factory reset, confirm by clicking the power button, and select yes. Okay, now our screen lock will be turned off. Will be turned off simply, but we still have the Google verification. The wiping data process is still going, so we need to wait. Okay, actually, data wipe has been completed. So now we can select reboot system now. Now let's wait. And now we need to turn on our computer because we need to download a few programs. Visit our page, HardReset.Info. In that window, type J5 2017. Select the Samsung. Click on bypass Google verification. Scroll down, select the one from with Android 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Select it. And we need to download those two things, Samsung drivers and SAM FRP bypass tool. So first let's begin with the drivers. Click on download. Now go back. Download the second file. Okay. First let's install our Samsung drivers. So go into downloads. Right click. You can use a WinRAR to extract the file. Then select extract. This option. If you don't have a WinRAR, you can click on extract all and click on extract. It's up to you. I'll use the WinRAR. Okay. Now launch this program. In my case, it's already installed, so I won't repeat the process. In your case, if you are downloading it for the first time, after the installation process, I highly recommend restarting your computer, so you'll have 100% sure that everything goes just like it should. So I'm not going to install it again. Now we need to also extract this file. So WinRAR extract. But before we turn it on, we need to turn off our antivirus on our computer. So you need to do it, because when it's turned on we won't be able to do it. Go into virus and threat protection in Windows Security, go into manage settings and turn off the real-time protection for now. Okay, now launch the X file, click on more info and click on run anyway. Click on next, next, and install. Okay, click on finish. Now let's wait until our phone turns on, because we need to get into the setup process. So let's wait now. Okay, our phone has turned on. In here, select your language. I'll just stick to English. Click on OK. Click on that blue arrow. Click on next. Select that you agree. Click on next. Click on skip. Next. Click on OK. We can connect to the Wi-Fi. Type password to it. Click on connect. Now click on next. Okay, now we need to wait until it loads. Okay, it's asking us for our screen lock, and when we click on use my Google account instead, we have the Google verification. So now we need to go all the way back, click on emergency call and type asterisk hashtag 0 asterisk and hashtag. That's the test menu. Now we need to connect our phone into our computer using micro USB cable. So connect your phone into your computer, insert the cable. Okay, now we can turn on our program. Okay, above we select Samsung FRP and select remove FRP security older than August 2022. If it says that your device doesn't get selected, we need to replace the cable, because in my case I think that's the cause of the wire. Okay, I have changed the cable, everything should be fine. So again, Samsung, remove FRP security older than August 2022, and now it's fully working. So in my case it was because of the cable. You can see that it's still going. You need to also remember that your screen on your phone needs to be turned on all the way. Now it's telling us to enable the test mode. In our case it's already opened, so click on already open test mode, and remember about the screen that it cannot be turned off. Select always allow from this computer, click on OK. Alright, now we need to go through the setup process. Actually, we need to wait because currently everything is... the tool is removing this Google verification. Okay, we can see that our phone is turning on. Let's wait until the phone turns on. Okay. It has turned on. We can unplug the cable. And what I highly recommend to do right now is to perform a factory reset once again, just to make sure that everything will work. Okay, so go into the settings, scroll down, go into General Management, select Reset and Factory Data Reset, delete all. Okay, and now we just need to simply wait until the phone turns on. After that, we can go through the setup process and the phone will be ready to use. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.